tried to crank it up and the carburetor is leaking all the gas. Luckily I have one more, so let's replace it. Okay guys, I have to replace the carburetor. So this one has got a leak somewhere. I don't know what's going on with it, but luckily I have one more somewhere. I found it and we're gonna use that one for now. So let's see how it works. So what I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna replace the cable too, because that one is a little bit too old and it really goes back and forth pretty good. So I got a new one, so let's put it on. Okay guys, I'll replace the carburetor. I'll take this thing down and put grease in the bearings. So now let's give it a pull and see if it runs. So let's do it. It does work. Running. Okay guys, look like it's ready to put the wheels back and take it out for a spin. Let's do it. Okay guys, look like it's ready for the spin. Let's do it.
Guys, it runs pretty good, but I just realized something happened, so let me show you. Hey guys, I was able to put air in the tires, so I think it's enough to put it back in the garage, so let's keep moving. Okay guys, it's running. It runs pretty strong. The engine sounds pretty good. The only problem right now is the tire. I put air just to bring it here and it's flat again, so I think I need new tires. But I'm happy it runs, so I think that's gonna be for the next video. I might get a new tires and put it outside again for another run. It'll be fun. So please subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you next time.